Indian sweet, Aate ka halwa, a wheat flour dessert, is often cooked during Navratras and Indian festival. It is enjoyed along with puris and kale chane. Aate ka halwa is also known as Kada Prasad and is served in gurudwaras during the langars. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get new recipes every week. And never miss a video from Big Foodies. And hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Now let's check the ingredients to make a delicious dessert for your family and friends. Hello friends, today we are cooking Aate ka halwa, which is also called as Sheera or Gurudwara Prasad or Kada Prasad in many places. So traditionally when Aate ka halwa is cooked, we need to take equal amounts of atta and equal amounts of ghee. But you can always adjust the flavors as per your taste, and if you are diet conscious, you can always adjust the ghee as per your liking. So we are not going to add the equal amount of ghee, but we are only adding the amount of ghee which is required for wetting this atta. So we need to keep the flame on medium low first, and then we will start adding the ghee into this atta. So after adding a few tablespoons of ghee, we will mix it and check it if it is enough to wet the atta completely. So we need to add some more ghee. While roasting the atta, we are keeping the flame on medium low, and we have to roast it nicely golden brown on a medium low flame and keep stirring it while we are roasting it. If you will not keep stirring it, then the atta will burn. So that's very important to keep stirring it while we are roasting it. So we have added enough ghee to wet the atta completely. If you want, you can add more ghee, but we do not want to add too much of ghee. That's why we are not just limiting it to wetting the atta. So we need to roast this atta nicely golden brown. As it is roasting, it is giving a beautiful smell. So now you can see that the atta is nicely roasted brown, and it has also started leaving the ghee. So now we will be adding the hot water. So the proportion of water that we need to add is about, for 1 cup of atta, we need to take about 3 cups of water. Or you can adjust the water as per the consistency of halwa you want. If you want it thicker, then you can use less water. If you want it a little bit thinner, then you can add more water. Keep the flame on medium. Once the atta is roasted brown, we will be adding the hot water. So be careful when you are adding the hot water. Keep stirring it while you are adding the hot water, because it will make lots of bubbles. Mix it slowly and gently. Slowly it will start thickening. So once it is thickened nicely, we will be adding the sugar. So instead of the sugar, we are adding the jaggery. You can add the sugar or jaggery as per your taste. So we like the flavor and taste of jaggery in this halwa, and it is really healthy. So generally when we make the halwa, we take the equal amounts of atta and sugar, but you can always adjust it as per your taste. Mix it nicely. You can also mix the sugar or jaggery with the water and boil it, and then you can add it. But we like to add it in this way. So now you can see that our Aate ka halwa or Sheera or Kada Prasad is really looking beautiful, and it really tastes delicious too. So we are not adding any dry fruits here in this halwa. If you like, you can also add almonds or cashews or chironji as per your liking. Some people also add coconut powder. You can add coconut powder if you like. and you can also add cardamom powder if you like, but we want to keep it simple and the simple really tastes great. So we are not going to add too many things into it. And now aate ka halwa or sheera is ready to serve. So we have served the aate ka halwa or sheera, and this halwa really tastes very delicious and yummy. You can prepare this halwa at the time of any festivals, at the time of Durga Ashtami or any festivals like Diwali, Holi, as per your choice, or even you can cook it anytime to serve your guests and family. And this halwa really tastes very delicious and yummy. So enjoy this halwa with your family and friends, and if you like our recipe, please subscribe to our channel for many more delicious recipes, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.